From the iconic Charminar to the cutting-edge innovation of high-tech city, Hyderabad is a place where heritage blends seamlessly with progress. Now, adding to this dynamic landscape is renovated Begumpet railway station, which has emerged as a symbol of transformation under the Amrit Bharat station scheme. The redeveloped station features modern amenities such as escalators, lifts, spacious waiting halls, clear signage boards, and dedicated facilities for differently abled passengers. The station now showcases a striking facade, a welcoming entrance porch, and a 12-meter foot overbridge, among other enhancements. What makes Begumpet truly stand out is its all-women workforce, from booking staff to RPF personnel, making it a strong step towards gender empowerment and safer, more inclusive public transport.
मैं जब पहली बार यहाँ आई थी तभी ओके वाला माहौल था। अभी देख के ऐसा लग रहा है जब भी हम लोग बड़े स्टेशन में जाते हैं वो वाली फीलिंग अभी यहाँ पे आ रही है, तो इट्स गुड डेवलपमेंट फॉर द इंडिया ऑल्सो एंड एवरीथिंग।
For visitors, the new look of Begumpet station is nothing short of astonishing. What was once a simple suburban stop now feels like a fully modern transit hub.
Oh, definitely compared to from last 10 years, there is incredible change in the facilities given by the Indian Railways. So I would like to thank you Indian Railways for this.
Begumpet railway station stands as a shining example of how transformation is not just about infrastructure. It's about building confidence, safety, and pride in public spaces.